this blue ring in this Tesla J1772 adapter to Tesla adapter have in common. Maybe more than you realize when you put them together. So if you're like me, I use the J1772 at home with my ChargePoint EV Home Flex charger, and I go to destinations that also use the J1772 connector to charge. So I use the Tesla J1772 adapter to charge my Tesla Model 3 when I'm at those locations. However, I've had a couple times when I've gone to those locations and realized I forgot my adapter. So what I've done is looked high and low for something that was easy to keep the adapter handy and in sight, so I knew I wouldn't forget it either here at the house or at a remote destination. I found on Etsy, and it's a 3D printed ring. I select a light blue, kind of highlight that inside of my Tesla Model 3, and this simply goes into your cup holder, and it also holds your Tesla power adapter and J1772, inside a cup holder. It's nice and solid, doesn't make any rattling noise when you're driving. And at your destination, you can plug it in with a 3D printed lock that will go around this to keep the J1772 adapter connector from being lifted up and disconnecting your car from a charge. And when you're done, bring it back in, put it into place, and drive home. That way you know where it's always at. So this is a nice cheap fix. I believe this was around $12. It simply goes in, and I always know where it's at when I'm on the road, and I can bring it back. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. See the video description below for discount codes.